These are scrap pieces of wood from old and broken furniture that I have saved for DIY projects. I have already cut them to size for use in this project. These pieces were very dirty looking, so I cleaned them up using my angle grinder and sandpaper. Someone threw away a few of these beautiful bottles. I found them interesting, so I collected them to use in various DIY projects. I removed the labels from the bottle and plastic pieces from the top. This is another piece of wood from old furniture that I cleaned and shaped using a chisel and sandpaper. I have now joined all the wood pieces according to plan using Fevicol. I also use super glue to hold them in place while the Fevicol dries. Later I used small nails to reinforce the joints. This is how it looks after assembling the pieces. A piece of aluminium strip that I collected from a relative. I cut and shaped it like this using an angle grinder, a hammer, metal file and sandpaper. These are brass threaded inserts I salvaged from a very old vinyl record player. Assembled all the pieces according to plan. Now it looks like this. This is a piece of diffusion paper taken from my broken PC monitor. I placed it inside the bottle to diffuse the light source. I needed something transparent, so I joined two hot glue sticks together and wrapped warm white LED strip around it as the light source. I shaped this piece of wood to resemble a bottle cap. Here you can see the diffusion film inside the bottle, the light source and the wooden bottle cap. I used laminated thin copper wires to connect the LED strip to the female DC power socket. This is the DC power socket I talked about. Are you ready to witness the stunning final result? Then let's dive in and check it out. Happy New Year, my friend. Wish you a year full of joy, success, and endless happiness.